Hey guys, so so it's a really
20 minutes later.
hey guys. Today has to be one of the hardest days of my life so far. Oh my god, I tried a lot to do like a peppy intro and stuff, but I just couldn't bring myself to do it. And I don't want to pretend in front of you guys at least, because like you guys know the real me, so I don't think I can like act in front of you guys. I think it's just so basically, I guess you guys, I don't know if I'm keeping it in the title or not, but I'm giving my cats, my babies, to my best friend Vardhan. I've had the best year with the cats. I'm probably gonna cry so many times, like on and off cam. But I'm shooting and I'm running around, and I have college, I have my production house, I have this, I have so much to handle on my plate, and I'm just not able to take care of the cats how they deserve to be taken care of. And so I have to obviously give them up for adoption. But I just couldn't give them up to a place where I didn't know where they would be. I know how much I love these babies, and I feel like Vardhan's gonna love them like this and more. And I just, at least I know that they're with my best friend, someone I can trust, someone that, I can just maybe like, call and talk to them in case I miss them too much and stuff. So I feel like at least they're with someone I trust. Yeah, at least they're with someone I trust. And I don't think there's things that can go any more south than this. Like my phone almost fell, I don't know. But it's just that it hurts. They're literally my babies. And like today morning I had 2 meetings and I couldn't shoot that because I was not in the state to, and plus I can't reveal the things and the people involved yet. And then I did my college thing, and now it's time to hand the babies over to him. So I'm getting ready to do that. Okay, I'm gonna hold on to it. But yeah, so I guess just come on this journey with me. I'm a mess right now. My hair is a mess. Like I don't know what I'm doing. It's just I am not in the best. Okay, so I have my hair like up in a messy bun right now, and I'm just gonna like start doing things. I don't know. Let's start with sunscreen. Like I don't know, like I just still cannot get myself to talk about the fact that I have to like let them go. It's not like letting them go, it's like it's just my best friend they're going to, but like I don't know, like just walking in from shoot and like not having them to like annoy, and like I don't know, like I've probably said like so many times in this video, but like I don't know, I'm not even able to like focus on what I'm doing. Like I'm not even able to like put on sunscreen properly. Like I don't know, I'm just like a hot mess. I don't even feel like shooting this like get ready with me type of a video, because like I'm just gonna rant to you guys about like how much I will miss these little kids. It's such a joy they are. guys, so this is their like bed and like their 3 leashes, and we have like the rollers and like things in this, and then this is another bag. Oh god, this has like this is their medicines, their sand, their food, the treats, and like everything is in here and stuff. We have like another bag which is of their toys and like other things, तो वो अभी दूसरे उसमें है, तो I will show you guys that. But yeah, so we're leaving to go get all the like little toys and this and that from the like other side, and I guess we'll be back with the other like thela with all their other stuff from the other side. So okay guys, so me and PC say hello. So me and PC were walking to the like other side to go get the things, and yeah, I don't want to do this. Azil, Alayhan, this is like all the other things.
इधर से भागेगा तेरे आइडिया समझ में आ रहा है पकड़ पकड़ उधर बारह उतारा सारा मंची मुकल गुंडा बन गया गुंडा जो तो है जो ये देख
मेरी से बहुत प्यार करती है, जो तो प्यार करती है उसके पास जाएंगे ना तो अच्छे से है ना, परेशान नहीं करना।
खाई ले दे भी मजा आएगा।
Okay, so surprisingly, Alayhan is like scared of everything, but Azil is behaving like a gunda, and वो ऐसे बैठा है जैसे ये उसका गार्डन है। गुंडा है इतना बड़ा तुम, मेरे को तो पहचान नहीं था, इतना बड़ा गुंडा है तुम, गुंडा है तुम।
पकड़े हो भी रे हमारे लोग
Alayhan, Alayhan, radiant आँखों लगे मायने। Alayhan, Anta। So we're gonna go now to hand these babies over to my best friend, and जितना इमोशनल फील हो रहा था, अब आई एम जस्ट हैप्पी फॉर हिम कि प्यारी प्यारी क्यूट खुशियाँ जा रही हैं उसके घर पे, एंड विंड से मेरे बाल पागल हो चुके हैं, सो इग्नोर द मेस ऑफ द हेयर, बट या ओके गाइस, सो फाइनली वी आर हियर, एंड मैं इसको पूछ रही हूँ कि बॉन साइड पे या स्टारबक्स साइड पे, इसको दोनों साइड नहीं पता है, कोई तीसरी भलती साइड पे खड़ा है इंसान। हाँ
एवर शाइन के पास हूँ, एवर स्वीट के
एवर
पास
स्वीट, एवर शाइन अलग है, एवर स्वीट अलग है, दो अलग अलग बिल्डिंग है, अलग अलग।
इन माय डिफेंस आई एम न्यू टू वर्सोवा।
How does it feel third time on my channel?
Feels great.
Yes. The kids are going, and how do you feel about the kids?
Nervous. First time I would be a father and it is a very new experience. कल रात को मैं सिंगल था, आज मैं 2 बच्चों का बाप बन गया हूँ। तो न्यू लाइफ, न्यू एक्सपीरियंसेस।
Now let's show you guys the process of transfer. I mean, basically I'm crying and he's stopping me from crying because of the light in Yariva, because of being super sad because of the cats, obviously.
But yeah, I am there. रात के 12 बजे हम रिसीव करेंगे कि
यही बच्चा था बस।
लकी डे, इट्स योर लकी डे। मैं हूँ तेरे पास आगे। चिंता मत कर, आग नहीं करूँगा, मैं साथ रख रहा हूँ।
पता मैं रो दूंगी अभी। हाँ, whatever you were saying, so continue.
This is for you, Arshun Namdar.
Yes.
It's your Eid gift. It's your Eid.
We got me an Eidi.
I know I'm a bit late and I'm new to the experience, but I hope you like it. Some unique gifts for you and yeah, Eid Mubarak.
Yeah, I got an Eidi. I got an Eidi. Thank you. Such nicely wrapped, man. Oh, thank you. So now we're gonna go find ways to finally deal with the shifting by the time his cab arrives. And yeah, and sorry for the horrible angle, guys, but yeah, that's all. I got an Eidi. This is Azil. I've put my lipstick on him and he's trying to get out. Hey Azil, I put my lipstick on him. I kissed him. Bye Baba, Baba. So जो ऊबर आई है ऑफ वरदान, वो उनको OTP देने गया है and Alehan is in this. Alehan is in this. Hey guys, so we're back and I just wanted to show you guys the Eidi and open it with you guys, since we got it on the vlog, so just why not open it on the vlog. So yeah, let's see what we got. So this is the first thing, the envelope I see. Drawn Chand Sitaras, a cute this thing. But yeah, let's see what it has. Oh my god, okay. There's this little pouch with older years ke coins of India's currency. Okay, so I need to tell you guys a little backstory for you guys to understand this. Me and Vardhan, हमारी friendship ऐसे start हुई थी कि मैं मेरे दोस्त को बोल रही थी कि मुझे तो 50-50 पैसे के 2 coins चाहिए, 1 rupee का कुछ तो चल रहा था, and I was 50-50 पैसे के coins, and I was joking around and this and that. And the next day he actually found 50 paise ke coins and got it for me. So Vardhan. So I guess that's kind of how our friendship started. And so this is so cute. Wait, I'm gonna insert a clip of all the coins. Welcome back. So yeah, these are such cute coins, man. Oh, I guess that's it in the envelope. Let's go with the gift. I don't feel like ripping this open. Is there any way I can skip removing this? Wait, hold on. I guess this is a way to open from here. Da-da-da. Da-da-da. Okay, hold on. Okay, we have it open from the top. Let's see if we can just like pop it out without ruining the bowl. So basically it's like a vacuum insulation cup. Wait, hold on. It's basically like one of those like tumblers that you can take like your coffee in, or like it can be hot coffee or like iced coffee, and it stays the temperature in which you take it. It's this metallic like pink color. How well does he know me? You have to push this like upwards, and then you just have to like, there we go, put like the little this thing inside. Yeah, like a little filter inside and stuff. And what? He knew I would. This guy knew that I would open up the tumbler, so he just threw these in. Basically, these are like little mini, what do you say, containers, in which basically it's like it has this little thing on the bottom. It's like a perfume holder. So you can take like your big perfume ka bottle, your favorite perfume, but it's too big to carry around. So you take this, इसके नीचे जो मतलब hole है, उसमें you put the perfume का this thing, you pump the like big bottle ka perfume into the small bottle, and then you carry this with you everywhere. I needed these. I keep losing these every time, but like the fact that he knew I would open it and isme hai bhai. Aditi thanked me later. By the way, Aditi is his girlfriend, so like just saying. But yeah, Aditi, if you're watching this, thank me later. I've trained my best friend well. But yeah, yay! That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and bye, love you.